You're looking live at a windswept Charlottesville and Central Virginia as viewed by our Carter Mountain weather camera. We have friendlier clouds overhead today, good visibility, and it's all about the colder wind blowing into town for this afternoon. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. So we get rid of one storm system and I'm already tracking the next one. So the next big thing I'm tracking is going to be our next rainstorm. Mostly rain is on the way and perhaps even a rumble of thunder, but that's not until the end of Friday and especially after sunset and into the midnight hour on Friday night. So a lot more rain is on the way, but not as much rain as what occurred yesterday and last night. In that first forecast for the rest of your Wednesday, temperatures seasonably chilly in the 40s, although it'll feel a little bit cooler because of those gusty winds. The winds will be strongest across the Blue Ridge and into the Shenandoah Valley, where the wind chills will be near freezing, but daytime highs will reach the lower 40s and perhaps mid to upper 40s across Central Virginia later on, with those winds beginning to relax after sunset and overnight tonight. So the wind is the star of the weather show today. East of the Blue Ridge, we have winds anywhere from 20 to 35 miles per hour. Along the Blue Ridge and into the Shenandoah Valley, we have 20 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts, with perhaps gusting peaking around 50 to 55 miles per hour, but that's mainly on the very high ridge tops, and that's until about 5 o'clock today. Radar recap shows the squall line of heavy rain, embedded areas of thunder and strong winds, especially along the Route 15 corridor. Looking at the storm report recap, many areas picked up several inches of rainfall. These are flood reports from Culpeper, Madison, all down into Charlottesville and into Livingston. Now, Buckingham County, you had several reports of some high wind and flooding, but you lost power, so we're missing some reports down that way. We do have some lingering high water issues, mainly for areas along the Rivanna River. So there, through this evening, we're seeing some minor high water into Palmyra, and also some minor high water through this evening for the Rapidan River, and we're watching some lingering flooding along areas of the Rappahannock River into tonight. But the other flood warnings have been allowed to expire. Many areas picked up a month's worth of rain in the span of a few hours. That is 2 to 4 inches on a widespread scale. Now our live Doppler radar network is completely dry. Here's our weather for tomorrow. It'll be nice and dry for January standards. It'll be okay. And then look at this. By Friday, here's our next weather player. It'll make the long road into town, bringing us more rain and possibly thunder. So we are dry today, tonight, and tomorrow. A little breezy at times, but less wind. And then we're dry for the most part on Friday, and then Friday night, here comes the rain from southwest to northeast, from sunset to midnight. Rain, and it will be heavy at times, possibly receiving an inch or two of rainfall, especially perhaps east of the Blue Ridge, with lighter amounts to the west. In your Storm Team 29 report today, expect a blend of clouds, a few breaks of sun, blustery winds with highs in the chilly 40s. For tonight, mainly clear skies, lows a little bit below freezing. And your Thursday outlook, my pick day of the week, mostly sunny skies with highs in the low to mid 50s, still a southwest breeze. 7-day forecast, 30 tomorrow night, and then on Friday, we're watching some late day rain, a high of 50, 40s this weekend, and dry and trending colder next week, Jared.